just got my new head gasket, and the plan is to get this thing running tonight. So this was the thing that was holding me back from getting it started, because I ruined the old one, so I'm going to have to drill these ones out. I actually got a unibit instead of a drill bit, so hopefully that will prevent it from catching and tearing the gasket. But I'm going to go ahead and attempt to do that right now. See how good this works. Grab a stud, see how big I need to drill. There we go, so that worked out a lot better, and now I can bolt the head on. Alright, so the head and head gasket are on. I'm just getting ready to torque it down. I don't know if there's anything that scares me more than torquing this head, because I've gone through, I don't know how many sets of ARP studs I've snapped, at least 3 or 4 of them, and then this block actually has time certs in all of them and bigger studs than the regular D16 Z6 ones. And then I've even snapped one of those, so on one of those is a big cert. So I've definitely had some bad luck torquing these, but I'm just gonna go ahead and do it, get it over with. If it's gonna break, it's gonna break. Alright, so the other 2 sequences are done. I did 28 and 56, and now we're going 90. Gotta go a little extra, because it's gonna be holding some boost. Alright. Get on here. Ooh. One. Yes. Alright, scary part's over with. There we go. I did it.
Very good.
This is the break-in oil. That's not actual break-in oil. Alright guys, so the intake is on. Everything's pretty much hooked up. I'm going to throw that distributor in and leave the wires out so I can crank the motor over a little bit to get some oil up in places it's never been. But I just threw this on for shits and giggles, and it looks awesome. What do you think?
It's badass.
So it's gonna sit a little higher than that even. So I'm gonna cut the hood out, and from there I'll probably break it in just with no boost while I get the intercooler setup going on. Alright, it's pretty close to getting started up. Pike's getting Hondata. I need to go steal my battery back. I used it in the element. It's getting closer. Sound better. I honestly think it's just the gas.
It's all shitted out.
Yeah.
Get there, you bitch! Oh.
You pissed the starter off though.
Smoking? Alright. So it's 3 o'clock in the morning, and I think the goal is completed, so probably gonna end this video, but fuck yeah.